Have you ever clicked on a link, excited to watch a new movie trailer or the latest episode of your favorite show, only to be hit with that frustrating message? This content is not available in your region? It's a digital wall that pops up when you least expect it, blocking you from the content you want to see. Or maybe you've noticed your internet speed mysteriously slows down in the evenings, right when you're trying to stream in 4000, that buffering wheel just spins and spins, ruining movie night. These problems, geo-restrictions and ISP throttling, are incredibly common. Geo-restrictions are digital borders that streaming services use to control who sees their content and where. It's why a show available in one country might be completely missing in another. ISP throttling is when your internet service provider deliberately slows down your connection. They often do this during peak hours to manage network traffic, especially for high bandwidth activities like streaming or gaming. It feels unfair, right? You're paying for a certain speed, but you're not getting it when you need it most. I remember this happening to me all the time. I was traveling abroad and wanted to keep up with a series I was hooked on back home. Every time I tried to log in, I was blocked. It was so annoying. I felt completely cut off. Then there were the evenings, when my supposedly fast fiber connection would crawl to a halt. I'd run a speed test, and the numbers would be a fraction of what I was paying for. It turned out my ISP was throttling my connection because I was a heavy streamer. It was a constant battle of lag, buffering, and frustration. I was paying for a premium experience but getting a budget one. So what's the secret to breaking through these digital walls and getting the speed you deserve? The answer is simpler than you might think: a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN is a powerful tool that does two key things for you. First, it encrypts your internet traffic, hiding your online activity from your ISP. This means they can't see what you're doing, so they can't selectively slow you down for streaming or downloading. Goodbye, throttling. Second, a VPN allows you to connect to servers in different countries. When you do this, your device takes on the IP address of that server to any website or streaming service. It looks like you're physically located in that country. So if you want to watch something that's only available in the UK, you just connect to a VPN server. In the UK, suddenly, all that content is unlocked for you. It is like having a digital passport that lets you access the internet from anywhere in the world, right from your couch. This means you can access a much larger library of movies and shows on the platforms you already pay for. Using a VPN is incredibly easy. Most services have user-friendly apps for all your devices: your computer, your phone, even your smart TV. You just open the app, pick a country from a list, and click connect. That's it. Within seconds, you're browsing with a new virtual location and a secure, encrypted connection. Your real IP address is hidden, your data is protected from prying eyes, and you can finally stream in glorious 4000 without any stuttering or buffering. Now, choosing the right VPN is important. You want one that's fast, has a lot of servers around the world, and has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track or store your online activity. There are many great options out there, each with its own strengths. Some are better for speed, while others offer more security features. To help you navigate all the choices and find the perfect VPN for your needs, I've put together a comprehensive guide on our website. It breaks down our top recommendations, compares their features, and gives you all the details you need to make an informed decision. I'll walk you through everything from setup to advanced tips for getting the best possible speeds. You can find the link to that article in the description below. It's a full tutorial that will turn you into a VPN pro in no time. Ultimately, using a VPN is about taking back control of your internet experience. It's about getting what you pay for and enjoying an open, unrestricted web. No more frustrating error messages, no more buffering wheels, just pure, uninterrupted entertainment. Check out the article. Find a VPN that works for you and start exploring a whole new world of content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your digital life. See you in the next one.